Hi everyone, I'm Roman Kornev, and you're on the channel about stock trading. Before I show you the reversal points where you can make money on the stock market this week, I can't ignore the important agenda of this week, the meeting between Trump and Zelensky. If you haven't had our militarized device, the war died in 2 weeks. And accordingly, this all led to increased volatility. For example, on Friday before the close of the session, the euro-dollar dropped almost 600 points, and accordingly, everyone expects a gap on Monday. I mean, yes, such unusual volatility is happening, and we need to be more careful, of course. Obviously, America, in the person of Trump, wants to get a tidbit from the Ukrainian economy. That is why it sets tougher conditions. And from this, we should expect even higher volatility. And most likely, in the short term, the dollar will strengthen. However, the only thing that could weaken the dollar is the non-farm payrolls, news that will come out later in the week and is expected to weaken the dollar. I also want to share with you that recently there was a traders meeting in Chelyabinsk, subtitles by Dima told you. Recently there was a meeting in Moscow, now in Chelyabinsk. I think soon we will do a meeting in Yekaterinburg as well. So, if you're watching me, be sure to go to my Telegram channel, subscribe, so you don't miss the news. If you live in Yekaterinburg, I think we will organize such a meeting soon. At the meeting, we discussed my trading robot, FlyDynamic. Traders asked questions and I answered them. It was very interesting. Also, everyone received bonuses. 2 weeks of free use of the robot. It also showed testing. How testing affects understanding the profitability of a trading robot. Let's take a look at the euro-dollar on the chart. Discuss the news, how it affects, also discuss reversal points. So let's start the review. Look, the euro-dollar is in this particular sideways channel. It has a support line, it has resistance, and as soon as the price approaches the support line, you can buy here and make money on the growth. I marked the reversal point with a turquoise rectangle, and if the price goes up to the resistance line, from here you can sell and make money on the decline. But we need to be careful. As I said, we are waiting for the non-farm news. The dollar is expected to weaken on non-farm. Therefore, if the price approaches the resistance line at the moment of the news release, we will expect the dollar to weaken, but we also expect the euro to weaken. Therefore, it is better not to sell the euro-dollar at this reversal point. Let's take a look at the economic calendar to better understand what we expect from the dollar. So, on Friday, March 7th will be the news of non-farm payrolls, or the change in the number of employed in the non-farm sector in the US, and the previous value was 143,000, and the forecast is 133,000. That is a decline. If the data turns out to be worse than forecasted, at the moment of the news release, I expect the dollar to decline. And this will consequently affect our technical analysis decision making. Let's now take a look at the chart. So, from the non-farms news, we expect the dollar to decline and therefore the euro-dollar to rise. If the euro-dollar price is near the resistance line when the news is released, we expect a decline in TA and a rise in FA, which makes entering the trade a bad idea. So it is better to abstain, don't trade, see where the price goes and make a decision later. For example, I like to trade on corrections already after the news release. I have a separate video on trading on news on my channel. Be sure to watch it. Well, if the price goes down and approaches the support line, then any day we have the opportunity to buy and make money on the growth. Well, if at the moment of news release the price will be near this line, it will double the signal. That is, according to the technical analysis, we will expect the price of the euro-dollar to grow. And according to the fundamental data, according to the weakening of the dollar, we will expect the euro-dollar to grow. So it's a good time to get into the trade. So mark yourself, don't miss it. And also subscribe to my Telegram channel. 30 minutes before the news release, I warn everyone about important news, make my recommendations, and we make money together. Now, let's take a look at the euro-pound currency pair. The euro-pound is in a downtrend, and we can see that it is moving in such interesting steps. Look, here the price approached the support line, could not break through it for a long time, then finally broke through it, and now it has turned around. And what did it do? It reversed here from the mirror resistance line. In general, the mirror resistance line is one of my favorite strategies. I teach it in my professional course. Well, right now, you can watch the video for free on my YouTube channel on Zen. Subscribe, go to my channel, and there you can watch the video dedicated to the mirror trading strategy. See, if the price comes up to this resistance line, mirror line, one more time, you can sell and make money on the decline. Mirror lines work very long and very effectively. I like them very much. You can also make money on it. Well, if the price goes further down, there is another support line. You can buy from it and make money on the growth. It's at 0.82.217, and for the future, I can give you one more reversal point. If the price reaches the support, turns back and goes up, it will approach this line. It's 0.82.48. It is a support line now, but later it will become a mirror resistance line. And from here, it will be possible to sell and capitalize on the decline. Let's take a look at another currency pair, the Euro-Japanese yen. Right now, it's almost at the support line at 154.4.18. It bounced back, but just a few pips short of it. It is quite possible that it will come to this zone once again, and it will rebound once again. You can make money on it too. Well, if the price goes further down, there will be the support line 151.603. From it, you can also buy and make money on the growth. And I leave my recommendation on the resistance line. There is a reversal point for selling here at the top. If the price does go up in the near future, you can sell from here and make money on the decline. Let's now look at the currency pair, Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. It is currently in a downtrend. And here, if the price goes further up, now look, it's already stopped at 23.6. This indicates that perhaps the same price will stop at other levels, and we can make money on the downside. The strongest level is 61.8. From here, I have already marked a reversal point. Sell, make money on the decline. And let's take a final look at gold. Gold is moving very volatile right now, amid all these events with Trump and Zelensky. And accordingly, I already said last week that I expect a strong correction. And that's what happened. I showed these two candles. Look, there was a third candle. Here it is. And now the price is going down for the time being. In the long term, I think gold will still go up. But right now, we should understand that if the price goes down further, it will look for a reversal point, i.e. a support point. And it's a mirror point right here. A mirror reversal point from the support line 27.91. You can put an alert so that you don't miss this reversal. By the way, for those who are already trading with my trading robot, I remind you that the euro-dollar is now in the corridor in a sideways trend, and you can trade in buy and sell mode at the same time. At the conference in Chelyabinsk, I tested the euro-dollar, showed how you can make good money on it, how you can increase profitability by changing the settings. And if you are already trading, you can start right now in buy and sell mode with conservative settings. I showed there the distance between orders, 300 pips, stake profit, 100 pips. If you're already trading, you can use this set. If you do not want to customize the robot yourself, write to me. I have a specialist who will help you set up remotely, set up everything, run it for you, and help you understand the settings. But if you haven't tried my trading robot yet, of course, write to me at the Telegram link in the description. I will tell you how to get the robot for free. Well, I wish everyone a successful trading week. Observe the risks. Use my pivot points. Subscribe to my Telegram channel so you don't miss the Nonrafm, which is coming up this week. 30 minutes before the news comes out, I give everyone a heads up. On important news, we capitalize on it. I am an affiliate of AMarkets, and my free course, a video course for beginners, is also available for you. If you are just starting to learn the financial market, then be sure to watch my video course. Write to me at the link in the description in Telegram. I will tell you how to get it for free. I wish you all a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye bye.